What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen and today I'm working on hot crab dip with cheddar and Gruyere. I know it's that time of year where you're having all kinds of get-togethers and you're needing appetizers. This is a perfect one. This dish is inspired by Louisiana crab au gratin. I'm doing it with my own little twist though. 2 cheeses for the melt, wine to add some brightness, lemon for balance, and I'm finishing it all with some fresh herbs. Let's get right into it. Let's start with some butter in the pan. All right, I'm gonna throw in my onions, red bell pepper, and celery. I'm gonna saute this up for about 7 or 8 minutes. I want the vegetables to become tender and the onions translucent. The vegetables are nice and tender. I'm gonna add in my garlic, fresh thyme, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. I want to cook that for about a minute. I'm going to add in my flour. I want to cook that for a minute or so. I just want to cook the raw flavor or the raw taste out of the flour. I want to hit that with a splash of wine. Let that reduce completely. I'm gonna whisk in my milk. I'm gonna bring that to a simmer and allow it to thicken. The sauce is thickening really nicely. I reduced the heat on it. I've got some really quality cheddar cheese here. About a cup of it. I'm gonna add half of that to the sauce. I've also got some Gruyere cheese, a little less than the cheddar. I'm gonna add about half of that as well. All right, I've got my lump crab meat. I've already picked through it and made sure that it was free of any shells or anything that I didn't want to be in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my crab meat to the sauce. Fold that in. So now I've added the crab meat. This ceases to be a sauce. It becomes now my dip. I've got some parsley. Add my parsley, fresh lemon juice, squeeze that in there. I've got my baking dish here and I'm just gonna spray it with a little pan coating. And I'm gonna I'll place my dip in this dish. That's a nice and chunky dip. Perfect fit. All right, I got the cheese that I had, that I reserved. I'm gonna sprinkle on top of the dip. The rest of my Gruyere. Sprinkle a little smoked paprika on top. I've got my oven set to broil and I want to broil this until we get a nice deep dark brown on it. Beautiful color, all right? All right, while the crab dip is broiling, let's talk about the wine that we're pairing with it. I've got a 2021 Daou Chardonnay. This is from Paso Robles. Let's get some in the glass. All right, we got a deep golden color on this wine. I mean, gold. Not very overly expressive on the nose, light fruit, a little bit of floral notes. It's kind of muted on the nose. Let's give it a taste. definitely not muted on the palate. Daou is known for their bold and expressive wines. This is no different than that, I'm telling you. Wow. There's an intensity. There's I mean, like concentration. I'm getting green apple. Getting a little bit of a mango as well. Got some floral notes on the palate. It's medium bodied. It's a bit of a tongue coater. And it finishes really long. I think the bold expressiveness on this wine, plus with the creaminess of it, yeah, I think this is gonna pair well with our dip. Let's give it a shot. My hot crab dip is done. Let's dig right in and see what we're working with here. A little bit hot. It's good. Creamy. Those cheeses. We benefit from the two cheeses. That's good. And cayenne pepper adds a nice little kick. Smoky paprika is adding a little smoky element to it. Let's see if it pairs. Really nice. There's a little bit of a, what I'm noticing now, the salinity from the crab, the ocean. There's a little, there's a saline note to the Chardonnay. They are meeting right in the middle and I mean, it's just, it's seamless. That's good, but I gotta double check. Delicious. That's a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Ben, as always. Eat well.